Imagine opening your phone to find a one-star review on your Google business profile. Someone's angry, and now every potential customer sees it. You know you should respond. But what do you say without sounding defensive or robotic? Today, we're walking through a simple system for using AI to respond to negative reviews in a way that sounds like you, protects your reputation, and takes less than 5 minutes per review. Here's the reality. Most small business owners know they should respond to negative reviews consistently, but they don't. Writing a calm, professional reply when someone just trashed your business online is genuinely hard. You're frustrated, busy, and stewing over what the customer said. So the review sits there unanswered while potential customers draw their own conclusions. This is exactly where AI helps. Not to do the whole job, but to remove the emotional friction. You give it the facts, it drafts something level-headed, and then you make it sound like yourself. That's the workflow. The biggest mistake is treating AI like a vending machine. You paste the review and expect a finished reply. What you get is call center speak. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. Technically harmless but impersonal. Instead, give the AI context first. Tell it what kind of business you run, what actually happened in plain language, what tone you want, and whether you're offering resolution. Then paste the review. That 60 to 90 seconds of setup makes a huge difference. For example, running a plumbing company with a late arrival? Tell the AI, you arrived 45 minutes late due to an emergency at another job. Your dispatcher forgot to call. You're offering 10% off their next visit. Write a brief, warm response that acknowledges the mistake without making excuses. Which tool should you use? For most small business owners, the free version of ChatGPT or Claude works fine. Claude tends to feel more conversational. Both have free tiers, paid versions, around $20 monthly. Let you save your business context so you don't re-enter it each time. Dedicated reputation platforms like Birdeye start around $300 monthly. For small businesses getting a handful of reviews, that's expensive when ChatGPT handles it free. Those platforms make sense if you're running multiple locations or handling dozens of reviews monthly. Here's what's non-negotiable. Edit before posting. Every single time. Read the response out loud. Does it sound like you? Check for factual errors. AI doesn't know what really happened. Make sure there's a clear next step. A phone number, email, or person to contact. Keep it short, 3 to 5 sentences. AI almost always goes longer than necessary. Transform generic AI language into something human. Instead of, we deeply regret that your experience did not meet the high standards we strive to uphold. Right. That's genuinely not how we want a visit to go, and I'm sorry we dropped the ball. Once you've written a prompt that works, save it as a template in Notes or Google Docs. Every time a negative review comes in, fill in the specific details, paste into your AI tool, and edit what comes back. It's repeatable, fast, and prevents responses you'd regret. A one-star review doesn't have to cost you customers. A thoughtful response actually builds trust. People see how you handle things when they go wrong. AI helps you get out of your own way so your response reflects your business at its best, not on its worst Tuesday morning.